Volvo launches production of its latest battery electric vehicle, the XC40 Recharge, at its manufacturing plant in Ghent, Belgium. The XC40 Recharge is the automaker's second BEV, with more in the family to be launched in the coming years. By 2030, Volvo Cars aims to sell only BEVs in its bid to be a climate-neutral company by 2040. The Ghent plant, one of the company's largest, also produces the XC40 Recharge, the BEV version of its award-winning compact CUV. Volvo plans to produce up to 135,000 BEVs annually at the Ghent facility, and already expects more than half of the plant's production volume in 2022 to consist of fully electric cars. To reinforce its cutting-edge design and modern statement, Volvo Cars designers have now given the XC40 lineup a refresh. A new front bumper and a frameless grille plate keep the all-electric XC40 Recharge visually in sync with the Volvo C40 Recharge, aligning the two cars that symbolize Volvo Cars' electrification journey. The signature Thor's hammer headlights are augmented with state-of-the-art pixel LED light technology, enabling them to automatically adapt to traffic in front and efficiently light up the road ahead without dazzling other drivers. Additionally, customers will receive premium leather-free upholstery options in the pure electric XC40 Recharge, as well as new exterior colors and rims, offering further possibilities for personalization. The C40 Recharge's powertrain consists of twin electric motors, one on the front and one on the rear axle, powered by a 78 kWh battery claiming to be fast-charged from 10% to 80% in about 40 minutes. It offers an anticipated range of about 261 miles, or 420 kilometers.